අපි දැන් මේ මොහොතේ සිංහයෙන් සමග කැලේ ඇවිදින්න යන මොහොතක් ප්‍රියත් මමත් දැන් ඒකට සූදානම් වෙනවා.
Whereby we need to keep our eyes lifted up so that should we come into contact with those, we all come together and manage our way out from them safely, right? But in the same time, once you experience that, do not panic, which is our second rule, because if you panic, you might run, and running in front of lions sometimes attracts lions to chase, which is no good idea. Or maybe you run into other animals which won't be in our sight, right? Which is a bit dangerous. And now the other one says do not crouch, referring to crouching down in front of lions. We discourage you from crouching down in front of lions. This is because when you do so, you lower yourselves, so the eye contact, like the eye level, gets down, whereby lions get to look down upon you. Right. So, but you can crouch